friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make halkova. This is a very delicious sweet that no 90s kids can forget. The sweet is also known as a dream sweet for every Indian children. Very easy to make with very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add half cup of ghee to it. This is clarified butter. I've already made a video on how to make ghee at home. You can find the recipe link in the description box. Allow the ghee to melt completely. Once the ghee is nicely done, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Keep the flame in low. In the beginning, it will be a little thick like this. It will loosen a little as you continue to mix. Mix for another 10 minutes in low flame. It's been 5 minutes now. It has started to lose a little. Continue to mix for another 5 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. It's nice and smooth now. So off the flame and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Allow this to cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix well until everything comes together well. Now it's nicely done. Grease a container with ghee. Transfer the halkova to it and level it with a spatula. Once done, refrigerate for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and a halkova is out of the fridge. Give it a 5 minutes rest time. Then demold it to a cutting board like this. Then make cuts in your preferable size. Now a delicious halkova or Maida Barfi is ready. You can enjoy this halkova right away with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy for a week's time. Very delicious, easy and every kid's favorite sweet recipe. So do try this halkova or Maida Barfi at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.